In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp to manage a personal home renovation project. We'll start by creating a clean workspace so everything lives in one place. On the left sidebar, click the plus sign for New Space. Give it a clear name like Home Renovation so it's easy to spot later. Then click Create Space. Think of a space as the container for your entire project. Plans, materials, tasks, and timelines all under one roof. Keeping it dedicated to your renovation helps you avoid mixing personal errands or work tasks with your remodel. Inside your new home renovation space, it's time to set up structure with lists. Click New List and create separate lists for each phase of the project: planning, materials, construction, and finishing. These lists act like chapters in a book. Planning is where you draft ideas and get permits. Materials is where you track supplies you need to purchase. Construction covers the active build and repairs. Finishing includes painting, trim, fixtures, and final touches. This layout makes it easy to find what you need at a glance. Next, add the actual work as tasks so nothing slips through the cracks. Click Add Task and create items like buy cement, electrical wiring, paint walls, and install cabinets. Keep task names action-oriented so they're immediately understandable. If you want, use the task description field to capture measurements, store links to product pages, or note who's helping with each job. Breaking work into specific tasks also helps you estimate time and costs more accurately. Now let's track progress. Use List View to see all tasks in a tidy, spreadsheet-style layout, perfect for scanning details. When you're ready to manage momentum, switch to Board View. You'll see columns by status: To Do, In Progress, and Done. Drag tasks from left to right as they move forward. This visual workflow makes bottlenecks obvious and keeps the renovation moving. A quick daily review is often enough to stay on top of things. Finally, set due dates so your schedule stays realistic. Click a task's name to open it, click the calendar icon labeled Due Date, and choose a date. You'll see that date show up next to the task in your views. Pick deadlines that reflect delivery times and availability, and adjust dates as plans shift. Due dates give you a clear roadmap and help you prioritize week by week. And that's how you use ClickUp to manage a personal home renovation project. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.